Hi everyone, this is my fourth module. This module covers about string manipulations. Manipulation means whatever the actions we can perform on strings. That is, let us create one string. That is a equal to hello. B equal to old hello world. We are trying to print hello world. A we need to increase plus b. Why I kept like this here? Because we need space between two variables, that is a and b. These are variables a and variable b. In between those I need to keep one string, that is space. So I'm adding those with an operator, plus operator. Let's try to get that output. See, hello world. And one more, we can also write strings in multiple line. That is, take this. Now let us try to print a. See, these are multiple line strings. Now we can also now one more string accessing, that is a equal to ayyappa. Print a of 0. See, a of 0 means ayyappa at first index a, and -1. See, the indexing for a string is, this is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for coming to negative indexing, here it is started by -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So I am trying to print the last element, that is by a of -1. Let us run, we will see the output a. Or else let us try to print -3, 1, -1, -2, -3. The output would be p. Yes. Now I want to print from 0 to 4. Now it prints from here onwards a y 0 1 2 3. A y y a. It prints only up to before that number, so it prints up to 3 0 1 2 3. That's it. Now I will try to concatenate two strings. In such a way that here a plus b, it is concatenation, concatenating two strings. Ayyappa Gavini. If I need space, some space between those, I will keep plus here. I am getting Ayyappa Gavini. If I want to print A only for multiple times, I will use like this. I will try to print 3 times. Ayyappa Ayyappa 3 times. If I need space in between those, I will keep like this. No, it does not work like that. And if I need to print the length of a string, it works. It gives the length of the string. Now coming to the string methods, there are so many string methods like upper, lower, title, strip, replace, split, join, find, count, starts with, ends with. Let us mention here string methods. Upper, dot upper, dot lower, dot upper, dot lower. Okay, no need to mention. Let us remember that. Title function can titleize the content. Strip, it removes the spaces at the starting of, at the in front of the string or at the end of the string. Now replace function, replace old comma new, which replaces one string by another string. Split, which is used to split by any separator. To split a string, we are going to use split function. 7. Join, which can joins the list of elements into single string. Find substring. It means find function can find whether the particular substring is present or not. Count counts the substring. It gives the value particular string count, substring count. Example, if there are 3 A's in Ayyappa, it returns the value as output as 3. Coming to the starts with STARTWATH, starts with substring. Starts with verifies whether the the particular string can starts with this substring or not. And coming to the last one, ends with same. The particular string can verifies that particular string is ends with this substring or not. Now let us work on this methods in real time. We have three string upper. Okay, print a dot upper. A dot upper, it capitalizes all the characters. Now a dot lower, sorry, it is already in small. Okay, try to be. It gives all the characters in small letters even though it is in capital letters. Next, dot title. This function titleize the string. Strip, which removes the space between the string, sorry, in front of the string and after the string. See, it removes all the spaces. Strip replace function. Now b dot replace remove this as a by p. Need to mention in double quotes. It is replace all the a's with p. See, it replaced all the a's with p's. Next, split. Split by a separator. Oh, sorry, need to mention in double quotes. See, it's separated with, there is no comma in between of the string. Let us try in this way. Let us, oh sorry, it is not working like this. Let us try like this. Separator as string. Now it works. See, Ayyappa Govin, it's separated as 2. Or if I keep in between this and mention separated as same as ampersand, try to run it, given same output. Now find find with a 0. Why it is 0 means here it got a as index 0, so it returns the value of 0. Now let us try to y, it returns 1 as an output like this. If it found the element whatever you asked, it stops the execution and try to returns the output, or else I see 11th place, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. That is how find function can works. Count of A's, it returns that how many A's are there in a string. See, let us try. There are 2 I's in A in such a way that count function works. Now starts with it is try to check whether that particular string can starts with that substring or not, and it is finds it validate and given as true as an output. Now ends with same as this, like this only. Ends with ni, true. Now let us try to with wrong words ay, it returns false. Like that it can work. These are all string methods. Now I am going to explain about string slicing. That is, ayyappa. Print 0 to 6. It prints up to here 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to p. It prints. It is showing an error. Sorry, here I forgot to give that a. See, now I will try to print from this character to last 0 1 2 2 index, not up to last now. So we no need to mention the value. See, from here a y y y a p p a. For this, the output is from 0 on. It takes from 0 onwards. If here we didn't mention any value, so by default it takes 0 0 1 2 3 a y y a. It, the output a y y a. This is how string slicing can works. Checking string contents. Now let us 1 2 3 print a dot is alpha. Now it returns true if the string contains all alphabets, or false if string does not contains only alphabets. See, it returns false. Remove this and try alt or true. Is digit. Now the output is false. For both is all num. This verifies whether the string contains both characters and digits. This is all about string manipulations. Thank you.